Hello, I am your host and you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and I thank you for visiting my channel. I'm a child scientist and I stood once first and another time second place in national level science competitions, and I won gold medal in international level science competition, and I am a student, and on my channel I will be posting videos about our history innovations and some questions which starts from how, when, who, where, which and other questions which arise in our day-to-day life. And you can know origin stories of many unknown things or about some ancient inventions and innovations. And you will be able to find videos on every single week. If you want videos on topic that you wish, then comment us in any video or in discussion section. And if you too want to know about history, then be sure to subscribe for new content, and do not forget to comment below to introduce yourself and click on any one of our video and start the journey of knowing our history. Thank you for visiting our channel once again.